Hello guys, in this video I want to teach you 12 words for weather and give you 2 example sentences for each word. The first word is sunny. Sunny. You can say, the weather was so sunny last week. Or, I really enjoy sunny weather. The next word is rainy. Rainy. So you can say, my dog feels sad when it's rainy. Or you can say, the weather is more rainy in the spring. Okay, number 3, snowy. Snowy. You can say, I like winter because the weather is snowy. Or, when it is snowy, we go outside and play. Number 4, cloudy. Cloudy. You can say, when it is cloudy, we cannot see the stars. Or, it is usually cloudy before it rains. Number 5, foggy. Foggy. You can say, the weather was foggy when I woke up this morning. Or, I like when it is foggy because everything is mysterious. Number 6, overcast. Overcast. Oh, last week the weather was overcast. Or, I don't like overcast weather because it's too gray. Number 7, thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. We feel nervous whenever we have a thunderstorm. I read on the news that there will be a thunderstorm tomorrow. Hurricane. Hurricane. Watch out for the hurricane next week. Our town needed to evacuate because of the hurricane. Humid. Humid. I feel uncomfortable when it is humid. It is very humid in the rainforest. Hail. Hail. Hail is like rain, but it is little pieces of ice. If you get hit in the head by hail, it hurts. Windy. Windy. When it is windy, we have to be careful. Trees might fall down if it is too windy. Blizzard. Blizzard. When we have a blizzard, school is cancelled. If you have a blizzard, you can go outside and make a snowman. Okay, those were the 12 words for weather and sentences for how to use them. I hope you enjoyed learning about that, and good luck studying.